Your GoPro is a great tool in the cockpit for capturing your flights. Whether you capture your flights for training purposes, professional activities, or recreation, high-quality flight footage benefits any pilot. To capture the entire story of your flight, you must include the audio from the intercom and radio.
Build up some airspeed, go all the way out to the end of the runway.
The NFlight Aviation audio and power cable for GoPro makes it easy to sync your audio directly into your GoPro's video while sharing your jack plugs with your headset.
I'm sorry, Mom. The wind is all over the place today.
This cable also gives you the option to power your GoPro indefinitely by connecting it to an external USB battery pack. The NFlight Aviation audio cable for GoPro is compatible with GoPro Hero5 Black through Hero12 Black. If you are using a different camera, like an Insta360, DJI Osmo, or other camcorder, please reach out to us for the needed adapters. Once set up in the cockpit, the cable enables your GoPro to record everything you hear in your headset. It is available in 6-foot and 10-foot lengths, GA twin plug, helicopter single plug, and even LEMO. We recommend that you use the NFlight GoPro door to secure your setup and support the connectivity and battery security of your recording system. The NFlight Aviation audio and power cable for GoPro empowers you to easily share your flight's details with stellar audio capture.
It's when you have some kind of course reversal, and so like you turn before it, and then you're coming back. You never.
I got it.
Autopilot disconnect.
For more information, contact us by email support@nflightcam.com or by phone 907-891-8607.